You replaced the part, cleared the code, and the check engine light disappeared. Victory, right? It feels like you've conquered the problem, and you can finally drive without that annoying light glaring at you. But days later, it's back, taunting you. That sinking feeling returns, and you wonder what went wrong this time. Clearing a code isn't fixing the problem, it's just erasing the ECU's memory. The underlying issue remains, lurking in the background. The real issue is still there, waiting for the right conditions to trigger the light again. It's like a ticking time bomb, ready to go off when you least expect it. The code is a clue, not the answer. It points you in a direction, not to a specific part. It's a hint, a breadcrumb on the trail to the real problem. Replacing parts without diagnosis is like treating a cough without knowing the cause. You might get temporary relief, but the illness remains. To truly fix it, you need to dig deeper, think systematically, and look for the root cause. It requires patience, skill, and a methodical approach. Modern cars are complex. One fault can cause a chain reaction of symptoms. A single issue can manifest in multiple ways, making diagnosis challenging. Only by investigating thoroughly can you make a lasting repair and keep that light off. A comprehensive approach ensures your car runs smoothly and reliably. Intermittent faults are the hidden gremlins of car diagnostics. They appear only under certain conditions, heat, vibration, or load, making them tough to catch. A wire might only fail when hot, or a connector might lose contact on a bumpy road. The ECU logs a code, but by the time you check, everything seems normal. Reading codes in your garage can be misleading. The real problem may only show up on the road. To catch these faults, recreate the conditions, test drive with a scanner, monitor live data, or wiggle wires to provoke the issue. Patience and a methodical approach are key. Diagnosing intermittent faults means being a detective, not just a code reader. The ECU doesn't see parts, it sees electrical signals. These signals are the language of the car's brain, interpreting everything from engine performance to sensor feedback. A sensor might be fine, but a damaged wire or corroded connector can distort its signal, tricking the ECU into thinking there's a failure. This can lead to misdiagnosis and unnecessary part replacements. That's why wiring and connectors are often the real culprits. They are the unsung heroes and villains in the world of automotive diagnostics. Always check live data with your scan tool. It's your window into what the ECU sees. Live data provides real-time insights that static code simply can't offer. Compare sensor readings to expected values. Look for erratic or impossible numbers. These anomalies can be the key to identifying underlying issues. If something's off, don't just blame the sensor. Test the circuit with a multimeter. This tool can help you pinpoint where the problem truly lies. Check voltage, resistance, and continuity from the ECU to the sensor. Ensuring these parameters are within spec is crucial for accurate diagnostics. Verifying the whole circuit saves you from replacing good parts. It's a more efficient and cost-effective approach to car repair. Smart diagnostics means following the signal, not just the code. By understanding the entire system, you can make more informed decisions and achieve better results. When basic tools aren't enough to solve a problem, advanced diagnostics step in to bridge the gap. These high-tech instruments are the secret weapons of modern mechanics, allowing them to tackle issues that would otherwise remain hidden. With the complexity of today's vehicles, relying on intuition alone just isn't enough. Data loggers record live sensor data during a test drive, letting you pinpoint exactly when and where a fault occurs. Instead of guessing, you can see the precise moment a sensor glitches or a system fails, making it much easier to track down those elusive intermittent problems that only show up on the road. Smoke machines make finding tiny vacuum or evap leaks easy. Just look for escaping smoke. Even the smallest leaks, which can cause major drivability issues or trigger warning lights, become obvious when smoke seeps out from a hidden crack or loose hose. Oscilloscopes show electrical waveforms in real time, revealing issues a multimeter can't catch, like signal dropouts or noise. With an oscilloscope, you can visualize the health of sensors, actuators, and wiring, spotting glitches that would otherwise go unnoticed, and ensuring every electronic component is working as it should. These tools turn guesswork into precision. Instead of swapping parts and hoping for the best, you can diagnose with confidence, saving time, money, and frustration for both you and your customers. Learning to use them takes practice, but they're game changers for tough problems. Mastering these tools means you can tackle repairs that stump even experienced techs, and you'll build a reputation for solving the problems others can't. Data loggers catch intermittent faults, smoke machines reveal leaks, and scopes diagnose tricky electrical issues. Each tool has its specialty, and together, they form a powerful arsenal for any serious automotive technician. Investing in these tools, and the skills to use them, means you can fix even the most stubborn cars. It's not just about having the equipment, but knowing how to interpret the data and apply it to real-world repairs. Advanced diagnostics separate true problem solvers from part swappers. In today's automotive world, those who master these advanced tools stand out as the experts who can solve the toughest challenges and keep vehicles running at their best. The code doesn't always name the real problem. Sometimes, a fault in one system triggers a code in another. For example, a lean code might point to an oxygen sensor, but the real issue could be a vacuum leak or weak fuel pump. The sensor is just reporting what it sees. The root cause is elsewhere. Think systemically. Check related systems, fuel pressure, intake leaks, and live data like fuel trims. Don't get tunnel vision on the part named in the code. Transmission codes can even be caused by engine misfires. Always check the basics before condemning expensive components. True diagnostics means understanding how systems interact. Once you've found the root cause, finish strong. Check for technical service bulletins. Sometimes the fix is a software update, not a part. Use high-quality or OEM parts. Cheap components often fail and bring the light back. After repairs, verify the fix with a thorough test drive and monitor live data. Make sure readings are stable and normal. Don't just clear the code and hope. Track data over time to catch issues early and prevent future problems. Proactive, systematic diagnostics and quality repairs keep the check engine light off for good. That's how you become a true automotive detective.